Hello and welcome back to ClearTask. If you're wondering how to get a physical copy of your flight ticket from trip.com, you are in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simplest way to print your booking. It's incredibly straightforward, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to trip.com. Make sure you are logged into the account you used to book your flight. Once you are signed in, take a look at the left-hand menu on the homepage. You will want to click on the option that says Flights. This will bring up a list of all your booked flights. Locate the specific flight you want to print the ticket for and click on Flight Status right next to it. Now, look over to the right side of your screen. You will spot a button labeled Print Booking. Go ahead and click on that. Your ticket will instantly generate and open as a PDF file. From here, all you have to do is save the PDF to your computer and print it out just like any other document. As a quick alternative, you can also check the email address associated with your trip.com account. They typically send a copy of your flight ticket directly to your inbox, which you can easily download and print from there. And that is all there is to it. You now have your printed flight ticket ready to go. If this guide was helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick professional tech guides. Thanks for tuning in and safe travels.